It's 11 at night, and you make the promise again. Tomorrow everything changes. Tomorrow you wake up early. You hit the gym, you start the thing. Tomorrow you finally become the person you keep meaning to be. And you actually believe it. That's the part that gets you. For a few minutes, lying there in the dark, it feels real. Then tomorrow comes. The alarm goes off, and a little voice says, just 5 more minutes. The gym bag sits by the door packed, and you step right over it on your way out. The course you paid for is still sitting on lesson 1. The salad you bought with such hope is turning to liquid in the back of the fridge. And by noon, tomorrow has quietly become next Monday. Next Monday becomes the first of the month. The first of the month becomes January. You have re-downloaded the same app 4 times. You know the one. Here's the thing, you are not a lazy person. You work hard, you care, you show up for other people all the time. So why is it almost impossible to do the things you actually want to do for yourself? It was never about willpower. You're not failing because you're weak. You're failing because of a glitch in how your brain handles time. Let me explain. Your brain has a strange habit. It values things less the further away they are. A reward today feels huge. The same reward a year from now feels like almost nothing. And that mostly makes sense. The future is uncertain. Right now is real. But it leads somewhere strange. Because to plan ahead, your brain has to picture a future you. The you who wakes up next year. The you who has to live with tonight's choices. And here is the unsettling part. When scientists scan your brain while you imagine your future self, it does not light up like you. It lights up like a stranger. Read that again. Your brain treats future you almost like a different person, someone you have never met, someone you do not really owe anything. So watch what actually happens when you skip the workout. Present you takes the reward, the couch, the rest, the sweet relief of not doing it. And the cost, the tired body, the missed goal, the quiet regret, that gets mailed to future you, a stranger who has to pay a bill they never agreed to. You're not failing yourself. You're treating yourself today and sticking a stranger with the check. But there is a second piece, and it is why this feels physical. Think about the moment right before a hard task, not the task itself, the moment just before it. The report you have to start, the call you keep not making, and you feel it. A wave of resistance, a heaviness, you want to be anywhere else. That is not laziness, that is your alarm system. The same part of your brain that handles real danger lights up at the hard task, as if the email might actually hurt you, and it pushes you toward the one thing that makes the bad feeling stop, avoiding it. So you pick up your phone. You will start tomorrow, and the second you decide that, you feel it. Relief, real physical relief. The discomfort lifts. And that is the trap. Because your brain just learned that avoiding the task feels good. So next time it avoids a little faster. You did not get lazier, you trained yourself. One small hit of relief at a time, and it always wins at night. The task is far away, the stranger pays for it, and tomorrow you swears it will be different. Tomorrow you always swears. So here is the part worth slowing down for. You have been trying to fix this with willpower, pushing harder, promising bigger, hating yourself a little when you break. And it never works. It was never going to. Because you cannot outmuscle a brain that thinks the person paying the price is someone else. The problem was never that you don't care enough. It is that your brain doesn't believe the future is happening to you. So the way out isn't more discipline. It's making future you feel like you. The closer that person feels, the less they look like a stranger. And the more your brain quietly starts to protect them, without the fight. You don't have to become a harder person. You just have to stop handing your life to someone you think you'll never meet. Because you will meet them, it's you. It was always going to be you. Your brain runs quiet little tricks like this all the time, ones you never notice. I go looking for them. If you want to be there when I find the next one, you know where to find me.